Welcome to the Yesido Windshield Holder unboxing and review. This is the windshield holder box, and on the back is a picture of how you can apply it to your car. The windshield holder itself comes in 3 constituent parts: the phone holder, the bracket and the arm. I will not be using the bracket for my car as I don't need it. The phone holder itself comes with a lockable nut that you need to remove just by unscrewing it. You then take the nut and you attach it to the arm by pushing it over the ball end of the arm itself. You then take the bracket if you need it and apply it to the position that you need it in the arm. And then you attach the phone holder to the other end with the lockable nut. And now we get to fit it in the car. You need to make sure your car windscreen is clean and clear of debris so it will attach properly. You then use the suction cup to attach it. It's as simple as that. Thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more.